What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome back. So today I have a nail drill to review for you from an Amazon seller, and they reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing one of their products, and I picked this. And I'm going to get right into this. I've already pre-opened this up actually and cleaned the drill bits. The speed of this drill is 3000 RPMs. As you can see, it already has the clamp mouth and the rotary sleeve, which is pretty standard for most drills. It just keeps it protected inside. And then the rotary sleeve is what you use to open and close it to put your drill bits in. The control panel has the power switch, which also is the forward and reverse switch. Okay, so on the control panel, you have the power switch, which in order to turn it on, you want to hold it to turn it off and hold it to turn it off. If you want to reverse the controls, you just tap the button and it will reverse it or forward the direction. The acceleration and deceleration is the plus and negative. This drill has 5 different speeds. It comes with a USB cord and a little nail stand to put your drill in. You can also put your drill bits in here, which I think is kind of cute, so you can keep everything kind of together. So I put them all in here just to show you what it'll look like. And that's kind of convenient. It also came with additional drill bits, sanding bands, and a little scrubber to like clean your nails or dust the dust off, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is everything that came in this drill kit. I think it's very compact and it's portable. It's easy in the hand, like it's lightweight. It's not very noisy at all. It's actually quite quiet. Even on the highest speed, it's very, very quiet. It is a short and smaller unit, like it's small in your hand. It doesn't feel bulgy or thick. And my hand goes onto it naturally, so I don't have to feel like I'm forcing anything or I have to adjust myself for the drill. I wanted to just try it out on one of my nails on the lowest speed just to take off the top coat of this polish and see how I feel about it. And it wasn't jumping. It wasn't vibrating, it wasn't doing anything crazy. It felt very smooth and it was quiet, and I enjoyed just doing this one nail. I will leave the link to this drill down below for you. If you're interested in it, you can check it out. I don't have any discount code for this drill or anything like that. This is just a review on this drill. But I think it's super cute, and the fact that it's portable, cordless, pink. Hello, I love pink. It's 3000 RPMs, it's little, it's super cute. It comes with additional drill bits for like manicures or whatever you choose to use them for. A dust brush, a nail stand that you can also put your drill bits in, which is super cute. And yeah, it's just little and it's super easy to carry around. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Let me know your thoughts and comments like always down below. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. Shout out to the Amazon seller for sending me this. And as always, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.